Hello, today you're looking at a Dayton 1.5 horsepower exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. Unit is rated for 600 CFM, 3.5 inch PSI. Can be wired for 230 or 460 volt. Overall dimensions of the blower, 36 inches long by 34 inches wide by 32 inches high. The stack is an extra 53 inches there. The inlet is 18 inches. The outlet is 16 by 13 inches. Take a look at the blade there. Nice condition, little quiet blower. And we'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.